The world's elite are no longer relying only on human bodyguards. Today, they are protected by something far more powerful: artificial intelligence. This is the future of personal security. Instead of guards patrolling fences, autonomous drone systems now act as a 24/7 shield. These drones live inside smart docking stations and launch instantly when a threat is detected. They don't just record. Using thermal tracking, they can follow intruders in complete darkness, even through dense environments. And all of this footage is streamed in real time to security teams miles away. Security is no longer reactive, it is predictive. Modern AI analyzes behavior patterns like walking style, facial micro-expressions, and unusual movements. It can identify a potential threat before it even happens. At the same time, AI scans the internet and local signals in real time. It can detect protests, emergencies, or disruptions that could put a VIP at risk. On the ground, robotic sentinels are replacing traditional guard dogs. These quadruped robots never get tired, distracted, or emotional. They can scan environments using advanced sensors like LiDAR, detecting hidden objects and mapping spaces in 3D. Even the concept of identity is under threat. Deepfake technology can clone faces and voices with shocking accuracy. To counter this, digital bodyguards now verify identities during calls to prevent fraud and manipulation. And when it comes to transportation, security has reached a whole new level. Modern armored vehicles are no longer just defensive, they are intelligent. If a driver becomes incapacitated, the vehicle can take control and escape danger autonomously. Some systems can even block signals around the vehicle, creating a protective digital shield. This is not science fiction. This is the new era of protection, where algorithms replace instinct, and machines become the ultimate bodyguards.